Forgot your Coursera password and can't get back to your courses? Here's exactly how to reset it in under 2 minutes. So here's the plan. We're going to head straight into your account settings, enter your current password, and then set a new one. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be back in your course before you know it. All right, let's start. Open up your browser and go to Coursera. Once you're there, you'll need to log in if you aren't already. But since you're locked out, make sure you're on the sign-in page. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen. See your profile picture or that little avatar icon? Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From that list, go ahead and click on Settings. Now this is where the magic happens. You're now on the Account Settings page. This is the central hub for everything related to your profile. And here's the really important part. You need to scroll down. Don't get distracted by all the other options like your name or email address. Just keep scrolling down the page until you see the section clearly labeled Password. It's usually near the bottom. Once you've found the password section, you'll see a few empty fields. The first one asks for your current password. Go ahead and type that in carefully. If you're not sure what it is, try your best guess or check your password manager. This step is crucial because Coursera needs to verify it's really you making the change. Now, pay close attention to this one. In the next field, type in your new password. Make it something secure but memorable. A good mix of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. Then, right below that, there's another field that says Re-enter new password. Type the exact same new password here. This confirms there were no typos the first time around. Finally, look for the blue button that says Change Password. Click on it. Give it just a moment to process, and just like that, your password is updated. You can now use your new password to log right back into Coursera and pick up where you left off. And there you have it. A quick and painless password reset that takes less time than brewing your morning coffee. If this step-by-step guide saved you some frustration, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might need the same help. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!